we have given the pooled material and the EVMs and VVPATs to the polling teams and the presiding officers for Vasco constituency. So there are 46 polling stations. So polling teams of all the 46 polling stations had assembled at the distribution center at MormugaoPort Institute, Vasco. Simultaneously there were polling teams of Mormugao constituency also and Konkani constituency and Dabolim constituency who had reported at the distribution center at MormugaoPort Institute. So we had provided EVMs and VVPATs and the poll material to these polling teams, and these polling teams were dispersed from this center at around 1:30 p.m. today in the afternoon session post lunch, and they are there at the polling stations now. They have set up the polling booth. So we have created awareness among electors of Vasco constituency as well as Mormugao constituencies and Kortalim and Dabolim constituencies to exercise their right to vote for this upcoming election, which is scheduled tomorrow on 7th May 2024. And this time we have decorated certain polling booths as green polling booth, pink polling station, and there are model polling station also, with the prime objective that the elector should exercise their right to vote for this election and come in large numbers for the upcoming election. So there are total electors in Vasco constituency 35,157 electors as per the latest supplement that we have published. Male electors are 17,897, female are 17,189, four numbers are transgender. So looking at the figures of previous parliamentary elections, especially in Vasco constituency, voting percentage was a bit lesser than the national average. So that's why we are requesting all the electors, the general public, to come in large numbers. And we think that there will be increase in voting percentage this time in Vasco constituency, and at least we will get a turnout of around 80 to 90%. So on the poll day, because we have tried our best, created awareness among the general public what is the significant importance of exercising your right to vote on the poll day, and created lot of awareness activities, innovative awareness activities, and door-to-door awareness activities also was done through the help of the BLOs and all booth level officers. And this time, so since we should receive a higher voting percentage, the Office of Chief Electoral Officer Goa and the Collector South Goa has taken some unique initiatives such as green polling booth, pink polling booth and model polling station. And also we have started green initiative. We have given instructions to the presiding officer to take assistance of booth level officer and plant 5 saplings in each polling booth premises for this election. And we have made some arrangements for the senior citizens and all the electors also. So beverages, Nimbu Pani will be given to the electors to turn up on the poll day at the polling station throughout South Goa parliamentary constituency and as well as North Goa parliamentary constituency. So this initiative our CO has taken, Chief Electoral Officer and Collector. We get a higher voting percentage. At the same time, we have ensured the health of the electors are secured on the poll day. So that's why we have made arrangement of distributing these beverages also.